17. Horse sense. Back in the horse and buggy days, on any return trip, the horse would readily find his way home, and at a turn would begin to take the side road before the driver pulled the reins. When I lived in the high intermountain country, this was true of saddle horses. Give them their head, and they headed for home. This is what Isaiah 1:3 is talking about. The ox knoweth his owner, and the ass his master's crib. But Israel doth not know, my people doth not consider. Our home is God's kingdom and faithfulness to Him. Because God made us in all our being, we know that He is the Lord. St. Augustine, echoing Psalm 139, said, "Our hearts are restless until they rest in Thee." Because of sin, however, we refuse to use the horse sense a saddle animal has. We want to stray. St. Paul said that all men know the things which may be known of God, because God has written it in all their being, but they, quote, hold the truth in unrighteousness, Romans 1:18, or, very literally, they hold down or suppress the truth in injustice. When we are in rebellion against the Lord, our whole being becomes a lie-making and a truth-suppressing force. We will not face the truth about God or about ourselves. In plain English, we refuse to use horse sense. We will not acknowledge our place under God, and we are determined to have our way, not God's way. However, anyone who tries to argue with God is a fool. God's way is clearly spelled out in the Bible. To seek any alternative is to lack horse sense.